testimony and evidence, but it doesn't say what rules apply to admissibility. So I'm hoping you can explain to us what the objections may be made under this clause, and if you intend to use the federal rules of evidence.
The gentleman will suspend that is not a proper parliamentary inquiry.
It is a proper.
It is not a proper parliamentary.
I stated a rule. I stated a rule, Mr. Chairman. You can ignore it and not answer it, but you can't just say it's not a proper. I'm asking for the application of the rule for an explanation.
We will apply. We will apply the rules. Period.
You won't help us understand that? There's no clarity there.
Which rule are you citing? How are you citing that?
Clause C2 of the Judiciary Committee's impeachment inquiry procedure.
I would.
How's that unclear?
It's the rules of the House, and they will be applied. Period. That's the report.
I'm asking how will they be applied here, sir?
They will be applied according to the rules.
But not answering your question.
A circular response. Thank you. And Mr. Chairman, can you please also iterate the schedule going forward? In other words, additional hearings, and so when do you suspend releasing or
that is not a proper parliamentary inquiry. Without objection, all other opening statements will be included in the record. I will now introduce today's witnesses.
Mr. Chairman.
Noah Feldman.
Mr. Chairman.
Field Chairman, I seek recognition. The gentleman is. I am not going to recognize you now. I am introducing the witnesses.
Mr. Chairman,
Noah Feldman is the Felix Frankfurter Professor of Law at Harvard Law School. Professor Feldman has authored 7 books, including a biography of James Madison and a constitutional law casebook, as well as many essays and articles on constitutional subjects. Professor Feldman received his undergraduate degree from Harvard College, a doctor of philosophy from Oxford University, where he was also a Rhodes
Show our
Scholar,
CME,
and a
which is
JD from
on
Yale Law
one
School.
side, and then
He
we'll go
also
down
served as a
and
law
show
clerk for
the other
Justice
side.
Nathan Souter of the United States Supreme Court. Pamela Carlin serves as the Kenneth and Harl Montgomery Professor of Public Interest Law and the co-director of the Supreme Court Litigation Clinic at Stanford Law School. She is the co-author of several leading case books, including a monograph entitled Keeping Faith with the Constitution, and dozens of scholarly articles. She served as a law clerk to Justice Harry Blackburn of the United States Supreme Court and is a Deputy Assistant Attorney General in the Civil Rights Division of the United States Department of Justice, where she was responsible, among other things, for reviewing the work of the department's voting section. Professor Carlin earned 3 degrees from Yale University, a BA in History, an MA in History, and a JD from Yale Law School.
There's
Michael
the
Gerhardt
park.
is the Burton Craig Distinguished Professor of Jurisprudence at the University of North Carolina School of Law and Director of UNC's Center on Law and Government. Professor Gerhardt is the author of many
There's
books, including
Avon again, and we'll
Federal
go up the
Impeachment
next
Process,
street.
The Constitutional
And
and
we'll show you
Historical
this
Analysis,
is nowhere near
as well
the
as more
hood
than
in
50 law review
Lexington.
publications on a diverse range of topics in constitutional law, federal jurisdiction, and the legislative process. He received his JD from the University of Chicago Law School, his MS from the London School of Economics, and his BA from Yale University. Jonathan Turley is the J.B. and Maurice C. Shapiro Chair of Public Interest Law at George Washington University Law School, where he teaches torts, criminal procedure, and constitutional law. After a stint at Tulane Law School, Professor Turley joined the GW Law faculty in 1990, and in 1998 became the youngest chaired professor in the school's history. He has written over 36 academic articles for a variety of leading law journals, and his articles on legal and policy issues appear frequently in national publications. The Chicago native, Professor
There's Glen
Turley
Place.
earned
That's
degrees from the
another
University of
prominent
Chicago,
street.
Northwestern University
So
School
is
of Law.
Whitland.
Now,
Once you
welcome all
cross over
distinguished
Loudon
witnesses.
down
We
here,
thank you
then
for
the
participating
neighborhoods
in
start
today's
getting
hearing.
bad, but you
And
don't
if
get
would
to the
please
hood
rise,
for
I will
probably
swear you in.
8 to 10 blocks. And I will cut this off here.
Do you swear